no, I don't have a boyfriend.
Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nail?
Short nails, please, thanks.
Oh, honey, that's why you don't have a boyfriend. I do for you, long better.
Alright, fine, I'll have long nails, thanks.
It's okay, honey, only $4 more, that's okay. Do you like crystal gel?
What?
Do you like crystal gel?
I'm sorry,
What? Honey, do you like crystal gel for your nail? It's the best thing you can have for your nail. Make look nice. It sparkle like diamond in the sky. Do you like